everyone, so today is quite a different episode. It's kind of a vlog. So what I have here is inside this oven I have pear cake and a kind of pear custard kind of pie bake thing. It's like a cake, it's more like a cake than a pie, but it's called a pie. So today's video is going to be about me baking about 2 pounds of pears into 2 different desserts, which are a pear custard pie without any crust and a pear, like a sticky old-fashioned pear cake. I will link both of those recipes in the description box below. I started out by peeling all the pears and I removed the cores and I sliced the pears really fine. So then I divided them into 2 portions, one for the pie and one for the cake. Next, I started mixing the custard, which included kefir, whey, and coconut oil, and milk, and sugar, and cinnamon powder, and flour. I'm going to fold all of these together. Finally, I'm adding some vanilla and some eggs to the custard. It just needs to be whisked all together and then poured over the sliced pears and put in the oven. It really is so simple. And here is what the finished custard looks like. The next order of business is to start my cake. I'm mixing coconut oil and brown sugar and 2 eggs because I'm reducing the recipe by 1/3 in a bowl. Then I'm going to be adding my baking soda, just sprinkling it on, and cinnamon and sea salt and vanilla. And whisking that together once again. Then the last thing to add is the flour, folding the flour in, very simple, then sprinkling the pears in and folding it in once again. Then I'm going to grease my baking tin. I'm going to put a baking paper at the bottom, pressing it in and then getting the oil all over it, then turning it around so that the paper is greased as well. Then I'm just going to pour the batter into my loaf mold and in it goes into the oven. It baked up very quickly and developed a very nice brown crust. The cake is sticky and moist, but it's not too sweet, it's very fruity, and I just liked it a lot. So the recipe's in the description box below if you want to try and make it yourself. So the pie and cake recipes were very simple yet successful. My grandparents can enjoy them, and yeah, so if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.